Okay, guys, we meet again. Still the same topic of using Design Network Designer in MATLAB. I am using MATLAB version 2020A for academic use. Now we click the Network Designer. Wait for a while. The system shows us a dialog about Deep Network Designer. This time I try to show you how long the time from the start until we got the result of prediction using Deep Network Designer. Well, it's now we have to choose the blank network and click new, expand it so we have a clear sight. Just like the first video, we choose image input. And then convolution to dimension, connect the widget, click auto arrange so you have a beautiful site. And then after convolution, we need batch normalization layer. Okay, connect it, auto arrange so it arrange neatly. And then we need an activation layer. On the first video, we use ReLU, rectify logistic. Rectify logistic. Now we choose another activation layer. We try tanHyperbolic. Okay. tanHyperbolic. After tanHyperbolic, we need the fully connected layer. Connect it. Don't forget auto arrange so we have a neat display. And then the last two widgets is softmax layer. Oh, I forgot classification layer. Okay. Okay, connect. And then auto arrange. Okay. So we have image input, convolutional two-dimension, batch normalization, tanHyperbolic, fully connected, softmax, and classification output. And don't forget the fully connected, we change the output size, which is the total of the class. We only have 5 class of fish, of pelagic fish. That's all. Now we switch to the data and we have to import the data. Data source is folder. Select the folder. We browse it. We choose the data set. Where is it? On drive D. Data set. And we find pelagic fish. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 class. Select folder. Okay, have a good look. Directory D, data set, pelagic fish, and inside pelagic fish, we have 5 subfolders consisting of each type of pelagic fish. We click import, wait for a moment. Okay, we have 5 classes from Exocet, Flying Fish, Half Big, Japan Half Big, Mackerel, Moonfish, and School of Fish. Now we switch to training. Open our training option. And the solver, we choose Adam, the best solver ever. And then validation frequency, well, we reduce this so the process a little bit less time. Okay, we have 5 validation frequency, epoch 3, and minimum batch size 16. The rest, we just leave it as the default and click close. Now we click the training process. Okay, after wait for about 3 minutes, the initializing process now start with the data normalization. We have to wait. Okay, after we wait for about 1 minute, now the menu shows us a training process, a chart, which is 2 charts. The first chart show above with the title accuracy, and the lower charts with the title loss. So now we see the progress. It starts from the 40% of accuracy to about until 90%. But please pay attention on the right, lower right corner where there are label of charts. In accuracy, there is a blue line which shows us the training, and the black line shows us the validation. So after the classification trained the data, the model is tested using about 30% of its data to test the classification model. So the real classification shows us using the black line. The black line is the real classification accuracy. And the loss is about 20% and still going on. We have to wait until it finishes in 100%. But if we see in this chart, it drops in the first epoch. It fell down to nearly 60, 50.5%. 8 or 0.9%. It drops and it rises again rapidly towards the 80%. When the accuracy rise up, the losses is going down. So pay attention to the label on the lower right corner of the screen. So you can use this label to fill a discussion or create a discussion for your report or your journal when you write down your article. Okay, we wait from the first process until now. It's been 7 minutes. We still have to wait. Okay, as we can see on the upper right corner, there are labels shows us elapsed time. The whole process from epoch 1 until now is 4 minutes 39 seconds or 44 seconds. Until it stopped, we will see how long it took for the whole process. It almost finished. Little bit more to the final prediction. And then it reached the end of the process. We wait until it shows us the result. Training iteration 66 of 66. We wait. Total testing process, testing the model we created using Deep Network Designer is about 7 minutes, or later we got 8 minutes. Just wait and see. Okay, we have a better performance compared to the first video when we use the rectified logistic unit for activation function. It's only 87% the accuracy, but now we have 92.11% validation accuracy by using activation function tanHyperbolic. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention. Hopefully this video can benefit you in your study and your research. Thank you very much. Until we meet on the next video tutorial.